Magandang umaga, magandang hapon at magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ito po ang inyong lingkod, si JomarX. And today, we'll be reviewing another HanDi Mk9. The HanDi Mk9 is a gel blaster that is based from a foam blaster. You can search the term XYLKM9 and from there you can see the difference, the similarity in that design. This one looks really cool and unique. Clear mag, nylon body, nylon parts. This is an ABS barrel. Working sights. See, magnified. Ta-da! Working magnified sights. It looks very nice. And working retracting stock. Very different from the usual units. There are some trades: submachine gun, MK, and unicorn. See? There is HPJ. Oh, there's a compass. So, and it's working. So that's cool. Features: it has a working magazine prime. It has a safe semi full auto, and it's 170 fps, 100 to 180. So it has considerable range for its unit, and it's long. See, very long. Even though it's can I classify it as a kid's blaster? Well, it's non-upgradable, so maybe, could be. It has a really huge capacity mag, really big, and it's translucent, so you can see the ammo inside. The battery is located here in the hand stop. Okay, battery. Again, it's the fake. It's a 7.4 magazine on magazine battery on a 11.1 connector. So do not use the charger for a different one. You will burn your battery. Capacity, a lot. It's more than the ARP9, the usual ARP9. So let's see, from the gel capacity, it's a lot. Probably more than the usual Gen 8 magazine, M4 Gen 8 magazine. Weight is more than a kilo. It has, this one is metal. And I don't know what's else inside, but it is heavy. Maybe there are some weights inside to make it a little bit heavier. It's more than a kilo for sure. Upgrades, don't think so. The barrel is until here, not here, so that's a lost cause. And since this is a Gen 8, a HanDi type connector, my hop up works again. So, yeah. And muffler. This works for this one also. So that's nice. FPS, I've said earlier, it's around 170 to 180 FPS. So the range is quite okay. For my usual 10-meter mark, I can reach the 10-meter mark. Although I need to angle it a little bit. It needs the hop up for better range. And the price of this unit is around, it's been lowered. It was 2,800 before. It's now 2,350, available on Hydro Blasters MNL. Link in the description. This is a very nice, unique gift for your child because it looks amazing. Huh? It's unique. Good capacity magazine, uh, a nice sight, a working folding buttstock. Is it worth it for the 2,350? It's up to you. For me, it's nice. It's nylon, so it will uh, last for a while for our normal kids use, and it looks cool. It looks really nice. So if it's worth it or not, it will be subjective. For me, it's a good collection piece because it looks cool. So people will ask regarding about it. Maybe if Hydro Blasters can get additional magazines on this one, it will be better. Oh, I forgot. It has a I think I told there's a magazine time already and repeating again. Anywho, if you have any questions, suggestions, violent reactions, just put it down in the comment section down below and I'll answer it as soon as possible. Hanggang sa muli. Paalam! Ching!